Hey YouTube, this is another action figure review. Today we have Orochimaru. This is one of my favorite characters. He's just, way ahead. He's just one of those guys that he surprises you with how clever, relentless, evil, this character created a lot of havoc, and I've always wanted this guy in action figure form. Looks absolutely beautiful in the box. Comes with, seems like a good amount of stuff, so looks like he be a lot of fun to kind of pose and mess around with. So this is the front of the box, side of the box. Back of the box. Comes with like some type of extra head for Sasuke. I don't have a Sasuke right now, but if as soon as mine comes in, I'll probably throw that head in there to see what it looks like. Side of the box. So this is how he comes out of the box. Really cool, lot of hands and stuff. I am not going to put him with the folded hands because if you know about this line, it's not depending on the character, it could be not so bad, but it's just like you have to take out the arms and put these arms in, and it's just a pain. So I'm not gonna put him with the folded arms. Plus, it's just him with his folded arms. So he has snakes, and then he has a sword. Really cool looking sword. We're gonna take him out and test his articulation. So we're gonna go over articulation. Head moves side to side. Just be careful with his hair. So this figure is a little bit different than other figures where the shoulder is like in two parts. So you have like the main shoulder joint and then like the arm, and they kind of act codependent and like, not dependent from each other. And it's kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but the plastic, when you rotate the shoulder, seems to kind of get stuck in there. So I wouldn't recommend doing 360 shoulder on this guy because it's just tricky to kind of mess around with his arm. Like you maybe try to like rotate it, and it proved very difficult to get it back in place. So we're gonna give it a 180 kind of thing. It's just something about like it's like the cloth part of his outfit, which they kind of made in plastic form, just kind of gets stuck in there, and it makes it very difficult to rotate the shoulder. It can't go 360. It's just kind of, it's not a kind of a pleasant thing to do. So I'm not gonna do that because it's just gonna take up a lot of time messing around with that. But I mean, he's well articulated. It's just like the way that the kind of plastic gets pinched in the joint, and then makes it hard to rotate. So, but it can do 360. It's just not a, you know, something you want to kind of be messing around with too much. This thing kind of moves, this big rope kind of moves around. So see here. Has a torso crunch, really kind of good. You can twist from side to side. The rope gets in the way. This is what it looks like in the back. So not a lot of gaps, looks kind of good. So yeah, he has an ab crunch, ab movement side to side. It's good. Like movement. Look at that. Can do the split easily. Both sides, I believe. He has his butt joint, doesn't let him, but yeah, you can do it. You can kind of squeeze around it. So has an inner thigh swivel, double jointed knee. Like a boot cut, like a foot cut, I would say. Foot goes 360, foot goes 360, foot goes up and down. It's all articulation. So yeah, I mean, really well executed figure. The shoulders, it's because they kind of try to put like the cloth, but doesn't bother me. I understand they try to make it as real as possible, so I don't mind the shoulder stuff. But amazing articulation, looks amazing. I'm gonna change his faces and show you his faces. So, snaky looking face. Tongue out face. Sinister face. So yeah, we're gonna put this guy in some poses and see what he can do. Yeah, guys, I absolutely love this figure. I could pose him for a long time. He comes with a ton of stuff, super fun. I think his hair does kind of, he has like a little ball joint on the back so you can rotate his head a little better. Amazing. This is my dream come true. I've always wanted a really good Orochimaru action figure. This is it. He is very delicate and he does have a couple of quirks. His shoulder rotation with the shoulder articulation, I'm sure is fine, but it's just that like they kind of made his outfit like a soft plastic, and that soft plastic gets kind of caught up in that joint, so it makes it really hard to rotate his shoulder. But this figure, I think it's just exactly what I've been waiting for, with the super great articulation. You know, it does have a couple of quirks that it's a really delicate figure. And you know, it comes with those weird shoulder arms. You basically have to pull the arms from underneath the shoulder. Not a really big fan of those arms, but amazing figure. It looks just like the anime. Yeah, I love it. So tell me what you think, and have a good one, guys. Take care.
Finished already? That was abrupt.